Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers. Welcome back to another special live episode here at the home studio. We have for you today on the box breakers. We're not actually doing a break. We are going to do a submission here for this contest. So I don't know if anybody's ever done this. We talked about doing it before in a different video, but this is the video where we're going to discuss the details of it. We'll do all the address labeling and all that stuff off camera. If you want to send us any fan mail, you can find our P.O. box in the description below, as well as some of our affiliate links. If you'd like to support our channel, you can do your shopping right through those affiliate links, and they'll take you straight to Amazon. So anyway, keep that in mind. If that's something that you are interested in, check the description below. So anyway, we're going to give this a shot. I've always known this since I was a kid, but I never sent one in. So we're going to send one in. I want to get this out to you guys quick. It'll be a quicker video here, shorter video, so that maybe by the time you see it, you'll be able to still get your mail postmarked by December 5th. So that's part of the deal here. Let's make sure this is good and focused. So it says no purchase necessary, and Joe from Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles and I were talking about this one time, that it seems like this is how the card companies probably get around gambling laws, so that they don't call opening packs of cards gambling, because essentially it is. There's odds on it. If you get a certain card, you're going to get a certain value. So I mean, it is a form of gambling for sure. But anyway, on this one, as you can see, it says no purchase necessary, only open to U.S. Canadian. And then it goes on to say, for a chance to win, you need to handprint your name and complete address on a 3x5 card, and then mail that in a number 10 envelope. I didn't look up what a number 10 envelope is. I should have done that. I meant to do that. Let's do that real quick. Because I think a number 10 envelope is going to be your standard envelope. Number 10 envelope. Yeah, okay. Number 10 envelope is just a standard envelope. That's all it is, okay? So, but they need the 3x5 card because I think they do a drawing with the 3x5 card. And then you send it to that address, NPN 2018 Gold Label, BB-NPN Group 26, P.O. Box 5013, Scranton, Pennsylvania 18505, where Dwight from the office will do the drawing. Only one card per envelope, mailed separately, postmarked by December 5th, 2018, and received by December 12th. No metered mail, don't know what that means, but limit one request per household. Failure to comply. Alright, so this is where it gets very interesting. Check this out. Okay, the drawing's on December 19th. But listen to this part. If you're a potential Canadian winner, you will be required to first correctly answer the following skills test question. I couldn't believe this when I was reading this. But they want you'll have to answer this question in order to receive a prize. Like, what is this requirement? How? I don't even know. But I went and looked at some other boxes, and yeah, they all have it. I just never read this far. Okay, so they want you to know, what's the answer to 9 times 3? 18, 27, right? Okay, 27 plus 13. 27 plus 13, 37, add 3, 40, right? Okay, what's 40 minus 6? 44, I believe. Okay, so that's the skill test question that if you're a Canadian citizen, you're going to have to pass that. Anyway, Major League Baseball affiliate's not responsible for this promotion. Whatever, but that is just wild to me that you have to answer a math question if you're from Canada before you can win. What is the point of that? Why? Why? Mr. Trudeau, please tell us why. Okay. Anyway, so that's the sweepstakes, and so we're going to use our other box. I don't think you need this code off of here, but this is our code from this box for the video, so I don't think you need it. I think anybody can send this card in. So anybody who might be looking to get into cards, you get, basically you're getting a chance at these odds up here is what it's saying. And They say it's at the same rate. I think they probably have a bunch of good cards they hold back for people who actually send things in. Either way, you're getting free cards, I believe. So we're going to take a shot at it, and when we get the results back, we'll let you know. So that is our Topps Gold label. I don't even know what this is called. It's not a sweepstakes. It's just a send in for insert cards. Yeah. So this is from our Topps Gold label, which you saw us open. We've opened 2 of these boxes. I think we plan on opening more. They seem like a pretty good value. So check that out. Yeah, we picked these up from Joe at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. If you're in downtown Phoenix area, stop by and check him out on 24th Street in Osborne. He's on Facebook as well. You can like his page there and follow him. If you have questions, you can give him a call. They do non-sports stuff as well as sports grading and autograph certification. So anyway, special thanks to Joe and Abe over at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles for always taking good care of us. And yeah, Joe was interested to see this as well. I don't know, he said he never really noticed it or put much thought to it, but we're going to give it a shot. We'll see what happens. We'll let you know when we come back sometime after December 19th, I guess. I don't really know how this is going to work. So it'll be after the new year before we know back on this. But we got some other videos coming up for you. We got some special box openings. Anyway, stay tuned for those. And thanks for tuning in to the Box Breakers. Hit the like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. We upload content almost daily. So if you like opening packs or C-packs being opened, you've come to the right place. Thanks for the support, guys. Appreciate everybody. We've got free giveaways going all the way to 1,000 subs and beyond. And looking forward to hearing from you guys in the comments section if anybody's ever done this before. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. See you next time.